we realized you have a system that can basically go and use a browser like a person. It can click, it can use the keyboard and mouse and enter terms in search fields and inherit your permissions. And systems like this are actually dangerous, right?
Yeah.
And it's about building them with the right guardrails, having the human in the loop. One of the things we did about a year and a bit ago is at the time, web agents were still relatively new. Adept had done some work a year before, and about a decade ago, some early work out of DeepMind, and even in the early days of OpenAI, there was some work on systems that can autonomously operate the web, etc. So we took that mantle and spent about 2-3 years really understanding how to build web agents, and then we open source an incredibly high quality web agent called Agent E. So if you Google Emergence Agent E, you'll find the GitHub link and you'll be able to see it. And we opened, and that was at that time, that particular agent had a lot of our IP in it, things like hierarchical planning and skills harvesting and so on. Okay, and we've since then improved that substantially. But the point is, we put that out there because we wanted people to see how you build agents and what are the guardrails and what are you enabling and what are you disabling, and the importance of the human in the loop, and right, all these things were things that we were really worried about, because we realized you have a system that can basically go and use a browser like a person. It can click, it can use the keyboard and mouse and enter terms in search fields and inherit your permissions. And systems like this are actually dangerous, right?
Yeah.
And it's about building them with the right guardrails, having the human in the loop. So I think I like the Delaware ruling where you're responsible for the deployment of your agent, and the other point you brought up about how do you manage a bunch of digital agents that are running around doing things, right?